cancer medication. Hugely important for people. If you can elaborate on the manner in which people are going to benefit from these tax breaks.
Yeah, if you see the changes which have been brought on customs duty rates, you will see a pattern. And the rates have been rigid to promote or give the impetus to the domestic manufacturing, strengthening supply chains and creating diversity in the supply chains, as well as for encouraging and giving incentive to the export sector. In addition to that,
the reduction in gold seems like you're trying to redistribute, get people to redistribute their asset allocation also.
We'll go to the gold also, but let me explain the changes which have been brought on customs duty front. So the underlying reasons to look into these budget proposals is that we want to give impetus to domestic manufacturing, boost the exports and provide diversity to the supply chains. So that is again very important. In addition to that, we were noticing that there were certain commodities on which there were upsurge in imports, and the imports were coming at hugely cheap rates. Maybe the exporters in those countries were having some natural advantages because the raw material, maybe say natural gas, was available in those countries at much lesser rate as compared to India. So in those cases, certain corrections have been provided. In addition to that, there were certain items on which there was duty inversion that has also been corrected. To elaborate it further, I would like to say that there are certain critical minerals which are not mined in India, and India was totally dependent on import of such minerals. So there the rate of duty was 2.55 or 7.5%. So there the duty has been brought down to nil because these critical minerals are now being imported at nil rate for further processing, and these are further used in the sectors like electronics or maybe in renewable energy or defense or space sector.
Batteries, yes.
So it is very important
just to give a context, so there's semiconductors, there is this EV ecosystem which is coming up for lithium, which is very crucial.
Lithium and space as well.
Yes.
Yeah, so these are the materials which are required by the country for providing in the supply chain so that India can do the manufacturing and do the value addition within the country.